Alright guys, what is up? We just pulled up to the spot. I'm ultralight fishing, Reed is snakehead fishing. Keep trying to cast. You gotta piss him off. Alright. So Reed, we just walked up to the spot and Reed sees, and I spotted 2 spawners. They're like 6 pounds each. Reed is casting at them because he has a Gambler Big Easy on so he can reel it top water or let it sink. You know, like sight cast them. What? Oh, got him. Little bass. Yeah. Little bass on the ultralight. Yo, this would low-key be good for the snakehead.
No, we're not dropping a bass here.
Tiniest bass ever. Throw him back.
Ooh. I got swirl on.
I know, I told you they're here.
You saw that, right?
Yes, I told you they're here. Oh my god.
Damn.
That's a giant.
No, don't.
I know.
I don't want to do it.
Look at the softy.
Ooh.
It's a big old softy. I mean, if you want. I would just stick with that lure. Sure. Just let me throw this out. Oh, I see a bass, I see a bass, I see a bass. Hold on. Oh.
Oh. Yo.
Got him. Got him.
There's more.
I know.
Bass back in.
Just gonna let him release himself.
Oh. Bass back in.
Throw that guy back. Throw him back. I know. Throw him back. Oh, he smoked it. This is fun.
Yeah.
Bro, no, my lure.
They're not gonna move. Yeah.
That is sick.
Got one.
Oh, no, he missed.
Nope.
I know. Wait, Reed, should we put the GoPro in the water and get underwater footage of this?
That would be cool.
Bro, I don't know. I don't know if the school's here. Bro, you cannot cast that light of a lure on that rod. Reed. Will I hook up over here? The answer's no.
What?
I'm not hooking up over here.
I am though.
That snakehead was like the perfect size too to eat your... What? Oh, Reed's got a little largie. Trying to see if there's a school. Smoked the Storm Wild Eye Bluegill. Look at that. The GoPro will turn on and just smoked it.
Let's get a release on it.
Next bass will do an underwater release. Let's go. Let's keep going. Oh, got him. I think, oh my god. Yo. No, that's a midget.
Midget?
Guys, tiniest bass ever right here on the Strike King, Mr. Crappie. What?
So at least the population's healthy.
Yeah, I was getting hit a bunch over there. On that other side. Oh my god.
You just drop them?
I know, I dropped my GoPro.
Where's the midget
Go
bass?
Piscifun.
Get a release on it though. Underwater release.
Underwater release. Alright, there we go. I got the underwater release. Normally if you catch one, there's a bunch of others. These bass like to school up. You're on? Nope. We thought Reed was hooked up. He wasn't. Reed, I told you, this is one of my best, this is like my best spot near my house. This is my best spot near my house. Well, yeah, that's now. Yeah, that is my new best spot, but by my house, this is my best. Oh, right here. Oh, a little nice. That was a nicer one.
We gotta put something big, bro.
We don't have lures for big fish on.
Nah, anything worth it, I'm doing. Any type of fish is just really big. You know that too.
Yeah. Yesterday's spot with the bluegill would be crazy.
Oh my god, yeah. I gotta use this. How much was this combo in total?
In total, the reel was like 50, and then the rod was like 20.
Oh,
so
did you get coil or just rod?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not trading you. Oh,
ooh, right here. Right. Oh, I'm trying to double up. Yeah.
There's a lot.
I think this is the better area. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. This guy's long.
Wait, I was gonna say if you wait a second, I'll double up. Or try it.
Should we try going over that way?
What's the biggest one in here?
Don't know. Oh, got him.
Nice. It's a little bigger.
Yeah? That's better than...
Oh, shit.
Oh, Reed's hooked up.
Double up.
Double up.
Oh, shit.
Reed's is probably nicer than mine.
A little bit.
A little bit. Let's get...
I got hit like 3 times that.
Let's get the underwater release.
Alright.
Hold on, I'm trying to get the GoPro out. Alright. Here we go. Underwater release for y'all. I don't know how great the underwater releases are, but
We'll find out.
yeah, we'll find out when we edit. Sorry in advance if they're bad. Oh, I got hit. Yeah, I got hit. Little. But hit is a hit. Oh, got him. Oh my god, he went flying.
Midget.
Self-release. Well, that was cool.
Yep.
You're just on a bunch of weeds. Oh, right here. Oh, a little nice. That was a nicer one.
We gotta put something big, bro.
We don't have lures for big fish on.
Nah, anything worth it, I'm doing. Any type of fish is just really big.
This. Bottom. Come look at this. Getting. Grassy bottom. It's like grass. Grassy. Oh, got him. Oh, oh, my rod tip went in the ground.
Oh boy.
That's a nice one. That's a nicer one.
To this spot, yeah. Hey, we're catching fish.
Yeah, that we are.
And no one cares.
Do you want to check on Google Maps if there's like a lake in this neighborhood?
Yeah.
No, let's just walk that way a bit more.
Look at the wake with them swimming back.
All right, guys.
Look at that.
So we see a ton of like
fish.
mine cichlids and tilapias.
Oh, look at the school over there.
There's a sign that says that there's an alligator in this lake.
I don't know what the hell a lead store is, son.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna keep fishing it. Fuck
Yeah,
that
and
alligator.
I don't see no alligator. Like, it doesn't look anything like the picture. So, like, yeah.
Giants.
Giant.
Tulipes.
Oh, giant. I thought it was the alligator.
No.
Should we throw the beetle spin?
I don't want no alligator.
Big old tilapia on a bed right now. I'm looking. I'm trying to see if I could drop it on his head and he eats it. Oh, he didn't eat it. I see it. Let's see what this is.
Dude, these guys up here landed a monster. That's the lake in front of the plaza over there. So, anyways, all right, you guys are still fishing here, and then you're gonna go over there, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'll meet you over there whenever. No rush. And I
Please
got
have
this
some
for
gum.
you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Can I please have some gum?
No, bye.
Bye. Yes.
What?
He got me these. Bro, yes.
Slip gas.
These are TPE too.
What's that mean?
They're extra durable.
They're hard as fuck to put on the hook.
It's
Yo, where are we going?
I want to keep trying to get you tilapia. The tilapias are gonna eat, bro. Oh, the Maiden cichlid wanted it.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, bro. Are you trying to snag them?
No. That's in front of the sickly water.
That's what I'm doing.
So then go. I don't think he wants it.
He did. Watch.
You can catch it. Yeah, he like he wants it.
He does.
Ooh.
Oh, the tilapia one. The tilapia.
That one's aggressive. Cast it at him. In his nest.
No, bro. I thought I had to cast it 10 feet away from the tilapia. Oh.
He might have just eaten it.
No.
Oh.
Oh, he's gonna eat it.
Cast this at him.
No, Reed. Let me catch my fish. Oh, oh. Got him.
No way.
Got him. Got him. Tilapia.
Yo, loosen the drag.
The drag is loose, bro.
Oh, there he goes. I think he realized he's up. Yeah.
Yeah. My drag could not be looser. All right, let's get this guy in, because of we don't want the alligator to come. God damn. Just put it in. All right, guys, big old tilapia, bigger than my hand spread out. That's a huge tilapia. Got him on a bed. That's sick. There he goes. Yo, that's fucking sick. Yo, give me my rod. You don't know how to do it, bro.
There's nothing right there. They're all gone because you just caught one of their friends. Wait.
My rod.
The thing's all fucked up. Let go.
Hey, give me my rod.
Y'all let me catch it. You said I could catch it.
Maybe.
Oh shit. Oh, he looked at it. That one's even bigger though.
I know. He's looking. This guy's looking at it.
Look at white duck.
He's looking at it. Oh. He's gonna eat it. Bro, my drag could not be any looser.
Bro, come on, you just caught one.
Let me get this one and then you'll get the next one.
There's not gonna be next one.
There will.
Just let me reel one. You dropped it
Oh.
too late.
No.
Jig it a little. It's too far. See it there. Too far away. Yo, the tilapia didn't know he was hooked for a fucking while.
Nah, yeah.
You know?
Yeah. When I got him up to the surface, he started fighting.
Drop. Too late.
Missed it. I missed the drop.
I'll tell you when. Go in now.
Come on.
Right in his mouth. Put the dog later now.
Nah, because I dropped it on his body, so
Drop it on his head.
spooked him a bit.
Oh. Dig it. I think he just ate it. Right there.
Got him.
Right there.
Let me get him. You get the next one. There's gonna be a next one. There's more beds over there.
Come on.
God damn.
Let me fight him for a second. Let him fight. Let him swim.
All right, now you can get him for a second. All right, guys. Don't mess with the drag. It's as loose as it can go without the cap falling off.
Nah, I got it. Stop. I got it. Stop, bro.
He's done. He's just tired. Oh, there
As
he
you
goes.
say that.
Tilapia's running. Just give it back to him when you're done fighting him.
You want it?
Yeah.
Here, I'll land him. Let him run it.
I got him.
Tighten it. No, bring him.
Oh, he's running.
He's not done yet.
He is not done. He didn't even start.
Bro, come here. Come here.
I'm gonna land him over here.
Yo. What's the point?
Just gonna land him over here. That's not bigger, but
Take the thing. Bro,
Yeah.
they're eating it.
oh my god.
Here you go, guys.
Stud.
Smoked it.
Stud tilapia, bro. Hey, I still don't know what freaking alligator they're talking about in here, bro.
Bro. Number 2 is crazy.
I still ain't seen that alligator
Look at this, bro. Number 2.
on the Mr. Crappie, bro.
Let's see. Hold him up. Show your fish, bro.
Hey, on that Strike King. Hey.
Alright. Now you gotta let me go.
Yeah.
Shit, try it.
Go. Look at this, guys. Another one. Size of my hand.
Stay, don't move.
Oh my god. Yo, there's literally a snakehead right there. Literally as I'm holding my fish, bro.
Alright, release him quickly. I don't know where he's going. There's a big snake there.
Alright. We're going to throw this guy back. Forget the Allegiator, bro. I don't see no Allegiator. There he goes. I don't have my box on me. Nah.
Looks so nice.
Got him. Little large.
What is it, micro?
Yes.
Like base size micro?
Yes.
Oh, that's actually perfect. Just cast him in on the jig head.
What?
Cast him in on the jig head, it doesn't matter. You really want to go?
Hold on. Stop. You ready? Wait, should I put the GoPro down for underwater?
Oh, shit. No, video.
Don't cast. Don't cast. Don't cast. Just don't do anything.
No, you're gonna spook them.
No.
You're gonna spook them.
Reed? They're right here.
You're gonna spook them, bro. Put it in quick, put it in quick.
Stop. Stop. No, give me it. Give me it. My secret bait. Go. Straight king. Little sucker. Rigged up. Mr. Crappie, little sucker. Rigged up. Good, how are you?
Good. Say, if you catch a fish, you put it back in the water?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Well, there's some dumbbell or dumbbells that leave them right up here.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Yeah. And then, then it's not fair to the fish.
No.
And then you get the big vultures come.
Oh, those
The fish starts to stink, then the vultures come.
vultures are the worst.
Well, yeah, but it's the kids that leave the fish.
I
That's
know.
worse. So you look smarter than the other.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Anyway, have fun fishing.
Thank you.
You bet.
Have a nice day. Pretty sure this. Oh, there's a tilapia right here. Tilapia. Yeah. I'm gonna cast it on the tilapia's head. Got him.
Got him?
Yep. He ate it. Oh, he came off. Rita's over there snagging tilapia. I'm over here ethically catching them. I didn't even know he was hooked for like the longest time ever. Look, he would have been sad if he would have let me pull him up without him even fighting in the slightest bit. Sorry. I'm just trying to... I see a tilapia right here. I'm trying to drop it right in front of his head. Got him. Got him. Tilapia. There we go. This guy's putting up a big fight, a nice fight. He's a nice guy. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yo, I think there's a pea on him. Oh my God. I really don't want to have to reel him through here, but we have to. No, don't take me back out there. Oh my goodness. He is just peeling drag. Reed's got the pea. Reed lost the pea. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. This one's a giant. No, don't go back in. Oh, damn it. God damn it. No, don't go back in the water. Ah. Oh, God damn it. My line's wrapped on him. He could cut me off. Because he won't let me grab him, bro. Nah. No.
That'd be so funny.
Oh!
That's a stud.
Stud!
Yeah. Look at this one.
Oh my God. Alright, let's go. Guys, tank tilapia. Bigger than my hand again.
At home?
Yeah. Alright guys, that's it for micro fishing. So we'll see y'all in the next one, and be sure to tag DOA, Z-Man, and KastKing in the comments. So let's go KastKing, MKKV810 for 10% off at KastKing.com. Let's go, I'll see y'all in the next one.